Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. There is a new addition in the culinary world called eggetarians. They are basically vegetarians who love eating egg, and my today's recipe is for them, rather for every one of y'all. It's called egg keema. So without any further delay, let's have a look at the ingredients now. Our first ingredient is of course eggs. And here I have around 8 eggs, of which 6 I have boiled and 2 I'll be using it for scrambled eggs. 2 onions finely chopped, around 3 tomatoes finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, around 2 tablespoons of coriander leaf, and here I have around 4 green chilies chopped. For the dry spices, I have Kashmiri Red Chili Powder 2 tablespoons, Turmeric Powder half tablespoon. This is Pav Bhaji Masala, which I have taken 2 tablespoons, Coriander Powder 1 tablespoon, Garam Masala Powder 1 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of Kasoori Methi powder, and around 2 tablespoons of butter. So first we'll start off with scrambling our eggs and then move on to the main recipe. Our pan is on heat, and to this I'll add around 2 tablespoons of white oil. Let the oil heat up a bit, and to that we'll add in our eggs. A little bit of pepper and some salt. And mix it well. While scrambling, try to break your egg into small pieces. My scrambled eggs are ready, and you can see how I have broken them into small pieces while frying. And now I'm going to remove it from gas. In the same pan, I'll add in another 2 tablespoons of white oil, and to the oil I'll add in my onions. Keep the gas to medium and cook the onions till they start turning brownish in color. While my onions are cooking, I thought of showing you how I grate my eggs. For it, I need a medium-sized grater like this, and I'm just going to run it through like this. My onions have started turning brown in color. To this now I'll add in my ginger paste, garlic paste, and green chilies. I'll cover it and cook it for 2 minutes now. My ginger and garlic has been cooking for around 2 minutes now, and the raw smell of both the ginger and garlic is gone. To this now I'll add in my chopped tomatoes, and along with it I'll add in some salt. Salt is of course up to taste. And we'll cook this till all the vegetables are very well done and the oil separates from them. So I'll cover it and cook it for around 7 to 10 minutes, and I'll keep on stirring in between occasionally. My vegetables have been cooking for around 8 minutes now, and you can see they are well cooked. The oil has started coming out and the water has evaporated. Now we'll add in our dry spices. First we'll add turmeric powder, Kashmiri Red Chili Powder, Coriander Powder and Pav Bhaji Masala. Mix it well, and if you feel that your spices might get burnt, you can add a little bit of water at this point. I'll also add in around 2 tablespoons of water and mix it well, and I'll again cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes till the oil separates completely. The best way to make egg keema is to keep on cooking your spices and vegetables till they are very well done. So I'll cover it now and cook it. My spices and vegetables have been cooking for 5 minutes now, and the oil has started coming out. The spices are well cooked and the aroma is really beautiful. So now we'll add in the Garam Masala powder and Kasoori Methi powder. So now finally we'll add in the boiled eggs. If you don't have a grater, you can finely chop the eggs also, but grating it gives a good texture, a keema-like texture to your egg keema. I'll add in a cup of water now. I have mixed my eggs with the gravy and I feel it is still a bit thick, so I'll add in another 1/4 cup of water and mix it, and again I'll have to cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes. So our egg has been cooking for another 5 minutes now, and this looks ready. To this I'll add in my scrambled eggs, mix it well, and finally we'll add in our chopped coriander leaves. Little bit we'll put for garnishing. So we are switching off the gas now, and there is one more final step to this recipe. So our final step is to give a tadka on top of our eggs. This step is completely optional, but usually the street food vendors, they do it exactly like this to make it look more beautiful. So I'll just show it to you. I've heated up my pan, and to this I'll add in my butter. And to this I'll add in half teaspoon of red chili powder and the rest of my coriander leaves, and give it a quick mix. Switch off the gas, and we'll pour it on top of our keema eggs. And now we'll pour in the butter tadka which we have made on top of it. Our egg keema is ready, and this is a street food from the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat. It is usually served with pav or bread, but it would equally go well with naan, roti or paratha. So friends, do give it a try, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. Thank you for watching.